Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install an app that allows you to pack your files into archives from RAR or zip extensions on your VIVO V23. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and we'll need to search for an app. Here write RAR and hit the search button. Now select this app and press install. After our installation process is complete, we can open the app. And the first thing is to allow our app to all file access. Like that. Go back, dismiss, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.